How to change your server name on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to change your server name on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then click on your server here. I want to change this server name, and then click this icon and then click settings, and now you need to find overview. Click on it, and now you can change your server name to anything you want, like friends, friends, and then click save. And now your server name has been changed. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.